Good day, students. Now, this is another question under variation. Now, let's look at the question. Now, if x varies directly as 1/4 of the square of y and x equals to 2 when y equals to 16, you have to find A, the connecting formula, B, x when y equals to 0.5. So how do we solve this problem? Now, the first thing is to look at the phrase here. We turn it to a mathematical statement. Now, let's look at it. X varies directly as 1/4 of the square of y. So I'm going to read it one after the other, and I will turn it to mathematical statement. And let's look at it. If x varies, this is the symbol for variation, varies directly as 1/4. 1/4. What is 1/4? 1/4. Of, what is of in mathematics? Multiplication. So times of the square of y. Of the square of y. Square of y. The square of y will be y squared. That's all. So I can tidy up this. So this is going to give me x varies directly as y squared over 4. Alright, now this variation now can be turned to an equation. So now we have x equals to ky squared all over 4, where k is a constant. K is a constant. Alright, so from here we get our proportionality constant. Now, value of x is what? 2. Value of y is 16. So just substitute. So wherever you see x, you put 2. Where you see y, you put 16. So let's do that together. So we have 2 equals to k times y. That's 16 squared. Everything all over 4. Hope you get that. This y is 16. This square is this. K is this. X is 2. So from here you can cross multiply. So we have k times, now 16 squared is the same thing as 256 times 256 equals to 2 times 4. That gives us 8. So you can now get your k now. Your k will now be, what are you going to do? You divide both sides by the coefficient of k. And what's the coefficient of k? 256. So you divide this by 256 and this by 256. So you have 8 all over 256. So, and your k will now be what? K will be 1 over, because 8 goes here 1. 8 goes in 256. That's 32. 32. So this is our proportionality constant. So after getting your constant, then you can now get the connecting formula. So what is the connecting formula? Connecting formula is this. What we have here. This is what we are writing out. This one. This is what we are writing out. So the only thing that will be changing there is your k. So the k you got here, you just insert it. So we are doing that now. So okay. So I have x equals to, what is k? 1 over 2. 1 over 32, sorry. 1 over 32. I have y squared. Everything over what? 4. Over 4. Okay. So from here, you can also tidy up this. This is going to give you x equals to, now this will give you y squared all over, now 32 will multiply itself with 4, and that is going to give you what? That's 128. 128. Why is it like that? You know, this is a fraction, 1 over 2. So when you are dividing a fraction with a number, a whole number, that whole number will multiply itself with the denominator. So you have to get used to it. So if I have 7 over 2 divided by 3, 7 over 2 divided by 3, this 3 will just multiply. The answer is going to be 7 over 6. So this will multiply itself with this. That's all. Okay, so that's what we just did there. So this 4 multiply itself with 32. So we have 128. So we have y squared. Y squared multiply itself with 1. And we have y squared. Alright, so now this is the connecting formula. Can you see the connecting formula? So this is it. This is the connecting formula. This is the connecting formula. Okay, so from here now, we can now get the B part of the question. The B asks us to find x when y is 0.2. So it's 0.2. Okay, y is 0.2. 0.2 is the same thing as what? 1 over 5. So I love to work with fraction. That will make the work easier for me. So now, so I have x. I'm writing this. I'm substituting the value of y now into this connecting formula. I don't have business with this again. So this is what I'm working with. So my attention is now here. So I now have x equals to, what is y? Y is 1 over 5. You square that all over 128. Okay, see this is your y, so 1 over 5, so 128. If you square this one, it's the same thing as having 1 over 25, because 5 times 5 is 25, 1 times 1 is 1, all over 128. Hope you get that. Alright, now so x will be 1 over 25 divided by 128. Okay, you know when you are dividing this, you turn the when you turn this one to multiplication, and this now become the reciprocal of itself. So now this one will turn to x equals to 1 over 25 times 1 over 128, and you multiply. So x will now be 1 times 1, 1. 25 times 128. That gives you 3,200. And this is the answer to the question. So you can see